Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the workbook you want to convert and immediately save a copy to a folder you can find. Unhide any hidden sheets and clear filters so content exports. Next, set page orientation, margins, and print areas on each sheet. This controls layout in the final PDF. Once done, check Page Break Preview to confirm where pages split. Make sure all sheets show correct content and scaling before moving to the export step. You now export. Go to File, then Export or Save As, and pick PDF as the file type. Critically, click Options and select Entire Workbook so Excel includes every worksheet rather than the active sheet. Choose standard or minimum size depending on print quality versus file size, and check boxes for document properties and comments if needed. You can also check Open File after publishing to review immediately. Once configured, click Publish or Save to create the PDF of the whole workbook. Finally, open the generated PDF and scan every page to confirm sheets and layouts exported correctly. If something is missing, go back and ensure no sheets are hidden, print areas are set correctly, and scaling isn't cropping content. Then re-export. If Excel's export fails, use File Print and choose Microsoft Print to PDF, selecting printing entire workbook where available. One quick troubleshooting tip. Missing pages are almost always due to hidden sheets or incorrect print areas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.